English by the Nature Method, Chapter 5. The fifth chapter. The body. A person has 4 limbs. All persons have 4 limbs. The 4 limbs are on the body. The 4 limbs are the 2 arms and the 2 legs. How many limbs have John? John has 4 limbs. What are the 4 limbs? The 4 limbs are the 2 arms and the 2 legs. On the arm is a hand, and the hand has 5 fingers. Where are the hands? The hands are on the arms. How many fingers has the hand? The hand has 5 fingers. On the leg is a foot, and the foot has 5 toes. All legs have feet, and all feet have 5 toes. Where are the feet? The feet are on the legs. How many toes have the foot? The foot has 5 toes. How many fingers has Helen? She has 10 fingers on her 2 hands. How many toes has she? She has 10 toes on her 2 feet. The body has a head. What is a head? The head is the top of the body. On the head many persons have hair. Not all persons have hair. Many old men have no hair. Has Mr. Smith long hair? No, he has short hair. Is Mrs. Smith's hair long? Yes, she has long hair. She has longer hair than Mr. Smith. Is Helen's hair also long? No, she has short hair. But John's hair is shorter than Helen's. Who has most hair? Mr. Smith or Helen or John? Mrs. Smith has most hair. Her hair is the longest. Has John more hair than Helen? No, Helen has more hair than John. But Mrs. Smith has most hair of all the persons in the family. Mrs. Smith has long hair. She has much hair. She has more hair than Helen. She has most hair of all the persons in the family. Has John much hair? No, he has not much hair. His hair is short. But Mrs. Smith has much hair. She has more hair than Mr. Smith. And the children. Have all men and women hair? No, not all men and women have hair, but most persons have hair. A person has a face. The face has 2 eyes and 2 ears. All persons have faces, and all faces have 2 eyes and 2 ears. How many eyes has Helen? Helen has 2 eyes. She has also 2 ears. Helen has also a mouth and a nose in her face. Where are the nose and the mouth? They are in the face. What is the face? The face is part of the head. What is on the head? There is hair on the head. Is the arm bigger than the leg? No, the arm is smaller than the leg. Are the fingers part of the face? No, the fingers are part of the hands. What are the hands part of? The hands are part of the arms. What are the ears part of? The ears are part of the head. Are the feet part of the arms or of the legs? The feet are part of the legs. Is the baby a boy or a girl? She's a girl. Is Mr. Smith young or old? He's young. The neck is part of the body. On the neck is the head. The stomach is also part of the body. The stomach is at the front of the body. The back is also part of the body. The back is at the back of the body. The arms are at the sides of the body. Where is the neck? The neck is at the top of the body. Is the back at the top of the body? No, it's at the back of the body. Where is the stomach? The stomach is at the front of the body. The face is at the front of the head. and the ears are at the sides of the head. Where are the arms? The arms are at the sides of the body.